Hi, guys, welcome to yet another episode of Learning Perspectives. In today's episode, we will understand the effects of marketing on a consumer. The scene that you just saw shows Nada. Okay, now he's played by Roddy Piper. He suddenly one day discovers a special sunglasses. And as you saw in the scene, these allow him to see the world for what it is, basically without any filters. So he's walking down the street looking at various billboards, like you saw. He looks at various shops and magazine stalls also. And he's only looking at words such as buy, obey, consume. He also looks at one of the billboards that says marry and reproduce, right? So, in this episode, we will understand the effects that the marketing has on consumer. So if we were to understand what exactly is happening here, right? So what is the marketing got to do with this, right? So we on a daily basis see a lot of billboards, a lot of advertising, and we are currently living in a world of information. Every single time we scroll a Facebook or Instagram, we come across a lot of content. This is basically done to get customers' attention, and once the attention is given to by the customer, the consumer is engaged with different schemes and offers. Right, this goes on, and online social media is now being used for a lot of marketing campaigns. Right, so how basically the consumer is getting affected? Now, consumer is triggered psychologically by these marketing campaigns, and many understand this. However, many don't understand this. It is something called subliminal perception. Now, this is very similar to when you watch a news channel maybe, and after watching it for a couple of hours, you become somebody who is super negative. You probably would be scared to death that you might be killed by another disease in town, or something will definitely happen to you. Now, what is happening here? Now, similar to how news is sending you covert messages, advertising is always sending you some kind of covert messaging through their packaging, or just through simply ads, portraying in their ads what they want to. Similar to the scene that you just saw, consumers are not consciously aware, yet it is affecting their behavior. It engages the consumer and brings sales to the company, right? So a lot of taglines and advertising subtly places a message in the consumer's mind. Now, for example, if you see Honda car, right? So what is there? What is happening there? So it says live your style. In that moment, you might not be buying the car, but you associate the car with being stylish. So suddenly, when you think in your head of what car I need to buy, probably you think I'll buy Honda because it's a stylish car. Another way that advertising influences you is through emotions, right? So a lot of ad campaigns are driven to, let's say, manipulate your emotions. Many so emotions plays a very big role while advertising campaigns. So, for example, when you think of hearts, you think of Archies or Hallmark cards, or when you think of a butter, you generally, if you're staying in India, you would definitely think of Amul. And if you think of a beverage, you would think of Coca Cola. Now, this is a sign of emotional connection that has been built by the brand itself over the years. Now, recently, Nika also came up with a new advertisement which basically, challenged gender stereotypes and told stories about women who became leaders even, in a difficult time. These ads create an emotional story, and more customers move towards the product. So, that is how emotions also play a part while customers are affected. another thing is attention. Now, attention basically is an involuntary attention that is grabbed by someone or something, while voluntary attention is purposefully given. Now, since there is a lot of information flowing in the market, we block out most of the things. This is called selective attention. Now, a lot of times, selective attention is given to things that only you want to buy. So, whenever there is something unexpected and out of the blue, it would definitely catch your attention. And marketers know how to do this. So, they will create an ad which is totally unexpected so that you would give attention to that. So, I hope you've understood the concept about how marketing influence customer. I'll catch you in the new episode next week. Also, please like, share, and subscribe the video if you like the video. I request you to stay healthy, stay safe, and have lots and lots of fun. Please take care. It's a goodbye.